For next talk, I would like to invite Dr. HEMANG ZALA. He is a practicing dentist since last 20 years in Ahmedabad, and he is a pioneer into the dental implant into Ahmedabad. So, Dr. HEMANG, please come and share your views about how to choose your right dentist.
Hello everybody, I am Dr. HEMANG ZALA, practicing dentistry since last 20 years. Dental problems are one of the most prevalent diseases affecting human beings, but still highly neglected one. Dentistry is not a new term to us. Even in epic Mahabharata, when dying Karna was asked to give us gold donation, he removed his gold-filled tooth and donated to Lord Krishna, who came in a disguised robe of Brahmin. So everybody knows that when they have problem in teeth, they should visit a dentist. But the main problem is to whom should they visit and who is the right person for them. So my small talk will be regarding how to choose a dentist and which are the different specialty in dentistry. As of now, Indian Dental Association has recognized 9 different branches in dentistry, which requires 3 years of post-graduation after initial dental education. So to make it simple for you, and I will just explain how different specialty gives you a different treatment. I will just brief all the specialty and give there some treatment options. To start with, we will go with the endodontist. So endo means inside and dontist with tooth. These doctors help you to get root canal treatments, fillings, etc. The second is oral surgeon. Now, as name suggests, oral surgeons are one who gives the surgical treatment for you. They are mainly into removal of teeth, cysts, tumors. They are also trained to for accident case and injuries. The oral pathologists, the third oral pathologists, are the special branch who are trained for investigation of oral and maxillofacial diseases. They are trained to look inside the microscope and find a diagnosis for the special diseases. Periodontists, as the name suggests, they are specialists in child care and young adult and adolescents. Orthodontists are the one who gives treatment for malaligned teeth and jaws with the braces, aligners, etc. Prosthodontists are skilled for making false teeth, as you must be knowing about the bridges and dentures. Periodontists, pero means surrounding and dontics is tooth. So they are related with the gums problem, alveolar bone, and the common treatment which they give is for pyorrhea, gums diseases, etc. Then there is another specialty called dental public health, whose main goal is to improve the oral health in general population through dental camps and mass media promotions. Oral medicine, again, this specialty is primarily diagnosis of dental and maxillofacial diseases and its non-surgical treatment plan. There are other people like dental technician who are not dentists but work hand to hand with the dentist, and they are responsible for making false teeth, dentures, bridges, etc. So the next part of the talk is how to select a dentist for you. So selecting a dentist who meets your needs is as important as selecting a perfect house that fits your lifestyle. So what usually we do, we ask our friends, families, colleagues, ask our general doctors, pharmacists. Sometimes we also see the reviews online. But I am going to overall, I will give you another 5 tips to find good dentist for you. So for the first tip is the clinical setup. During your initial visit, just see the setup of the clinic. Here I am not talking about the old clinic or the new clinic. Just try to evaluate how the clinic is clean, hygienic, is it orderly placed, how the staff is it courteous, is the place shabby, is it overcrowded. Overcrowded place not only jeopardize your privacy, but also it increases the chances of cross infection. Recently, 17 doctors were diagnosed with the tuberculosis because of cross infection in Ahmedabad. Second point is basic setup of equipments in the dental clinic. So here again I am not emphasizing more on the modern and very high-end materials or instruments, but the basic setup which every clinic must be having, like autoclave, which is must for good sterilization of instruments, RVG. Now most of the dental treatment requires multiple X-rays, and RVG reduces the dental X-ray dose and increase the safety of the patient. Then apex locator for the root canal treatment, endomotors, UV light cure unit, which are very useful for the modern age restorative material which has replaced the old filling materials. The third and the most important thing is sterilization. So when you look in the clinic, you have to see that your dentist is using most of the disposable things like gloves, syringe, needles, suction tubes, which can be used only for a patient and has to be thrown away. The second and the most important part is the instrument which are not disposables, and there has to be a standard protocol sterilization for that type of instrument, and the clinic which does not follow that type of protocols are very hazardous, and one should not visit that place even in case of emergency. The fourth is the quality of dentist. Whether your dentist explain you all the treatments before he starts a treatment for you, does he explains you the time and how much cost will be there in the treatment, does he makes you understand how to avoid the problems in future, does he or she keeps his knowledge or skills up to date with the newer technology, and does he make you comfortable. So these are some qualities which you should look for in your dentist. And above all is your personal comfort. You should see your gut feeling. What does your gut feeling tells you? How you are feeling comfortable with that place or with the dentist? Are you comfortable with asking your questions to the dentist? Is he understands your problem, concerned, and are you comfortable in telling your fear, anxiety, pain to your dentist? These are small but minute and important things which are very important in having a good term, long relationship with the dentist. Remember, this is not first and last visit to a dentist. So you have to make a good rapport with your dentist and make sure that you become happy and you don't feel nervous while visiting your dentist. To winding up, dental care is a very personalized service that requires a good relationship between dentist and the patient. The best dentist gives you the care that you and your family deserves. And as I told, the regular dental visit really matters. It will not only decrease the future problems but also help you in maintaining your oral hygiene. So to wind up, I would like to tell that dentistry is not expensive but neglect it. And I would like to thank Dr. Mohal and his team to give me this opportunity to talk in front of you. Thank you.